In this video, we'll be showing you how to sell tickets or products to a specific group that's hidden from the public on your website. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. Then, from your main navigation, head to Admin, Events, and then select Tickets and Products from the Event Management menu of the relevant event. Select Add Product from the Product Page Manage menu. Enter a name, a SKU if you would like, or one will be created for you if not. Select the ticket type, and then, in order for these tickets not to show on your main events page, you must ensure that your product has sales dates that are in the past. Adding sales dates to your product will override the event sales dates. Add a price and a stock quantity, and then click on the Add Product button. As the sales dates have been set in the past, these tickets will not show on your main events page, but they will show when you click Preview from your Event Management menu. You can then copy and share the preview link with customers that you wish to buy the hidden tickets and products. And that's it. You can now successfully sell tickets and products to a specific group that's hidden from the public on your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.